Hey there, Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. Thanks for watching, as always. We really appreciate it. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell and we'll let you know when we're doing some new ones. Today we're going to start off and we're going to do some cooking methods. We're going to do part of our Cooking 101 playlist. So check those out if you want to see. We're going to do some poached salmon today. So real simple. Sounds very elegant. It comes out beautiful. You can use this for a salad. You can use, eat it hot, eat it cold, have it for a nice summer salad. Comes out beautiful. So classic technique, and we're just going to go ahead and roll with it. Real simple. We're going to start with a court bouillon, which sounds fancy, but it's really just some poaching liquid. And the poaching part is just not boiling. You're going to have hot water that's just below the boiling level. So you want to have that so that the salmon's about covered up. So we're going to do about 2 cups of water in here. We're going to do a little bit of white wine. And some salt. And you're going to want a little more salt than you're going to think you want, but it's not going to get into the meat. For this, we're going to do very simple. We're going to do a little bit of thyme. A little bit of onion. If you want to use leeks, you can use some leeks. Leeks, onions, scallions, whatever you got, but you want something like that. We're going to do a bay leaf. Give that there. A couple peppercorns. You can use the mixed ones or not. And I like to put a clove in there. So I'm going to do maybe 1 or 2 cloves. And then this, and I forgot our lemon. Got some lemons. I got a nice Meyer lemon here, but we're going to use that. So a little lemon, we're going to give it the squeeze, and then we're actually going to throw that right in there as well. You don't have to worry about the seeds. You're not going to eat any of those. So we're going to get this started and bring it up to a boil, and then pull it off, and I'll be right back. All right, now that we got this boiling, look at that. We got a nice boil. What we're going to do is we're going to turn that down so it's like barely at a simmer. We want it real low because we don't want to boil the fish. So that's the whole poaching technique. So here we are, and see how this is going to be in there, and it's going to be just covered up. Just covered up, and we're going to want that nice, and so then you're going to adjust the heat to where it's just at a nice simmer. And this is going to go about 5 to 10 minutes. You're going to check that. You'll be able to check the fish and see where it's at and letting it go. So we're going to let that go for about 5 or 10 minutes, just like that, and it's going to be perfect. All right, well, see how that's just like barely simmering away? That's perfect. That's just where you want it. And it's been our time. We're just going to peek a little bit. We're going to cheat and just take a little peek inside. We don't want to split it, but see how it's just cooked. That's just about where we want it to be. So we don't want it to overcook, because that's what keeps it nice and tender and delicious. So here we go. Pull this out. And I guess I actually could have used like a spatula, but I don't. So we're not going to need this. But there we go. You've got some beautiful poached salmon, and see how that's just like barely cooked through. It's still a little bit pink on the inside. That's how you want it. This is going to be dynamite. So Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering. Poached salmon. Enjoy. Let me know what you think. And as always, thanks for watching.